What's good, guys? It's Kin. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Sennheiser HD 650s. I just picked these up. I got a good deal on Amazon. It was Amazon Prime Day. I saw these were like 50% off almost, so I thought it was a great deal. I've been needing headphones for honestly forever. Headphones were one of the only things that I've never really bought. You know, like I've always had my Audio Technica headphones to record with, but when it comes to like mixing or having something good to reference to, I never really had a good pair of headphones. Over the years, I bought so much other equipment except for headphones. So I finally made the purchase. I made the move. The reason why I went with Sennheiser is because, first of all, they're a great brand for headphones, and I actually have experience using these so I kind of know what to expect. And I was debating whether to get the 650s or the 660 S2. Now, with the 660 S2, there's a little bit more bass, a little bit more sub. It doesn't roll off as much, and there's a slight dip. There's like sort of a dip in the 3K-ish range, and I'm pretty sure they do that. So if you listen to them for a long period of time, it's not as harsh on your ears. Now, with the 650s, I'm pretty sure they don't have that same dip. They are known to be a little bit more flat than the 660 S2. I think the 660 S2 is a little bit better just for listening to music. But if you want something for more accurate, critical listening, the 650, in my opinion, is going to be a better choice. And when you compare the 650 to the 600, I've heard the 650s are better. They have more bass, and overall they're pretty flat. So that's why I went with these. Let's open the box and see what's inside. When you open the box, got the headphones right in the front. Could take these out. They're actually really light. They're lighter than I thought. I haven't held these in a while. You can see these are the headphones. You see the 600 has the little blue emblem. Not emblem, but when it says 600, it's blue here. Except for the 650s, it's gray. And yeah, they really are light. Like if I compare, they're kind of the same, but they're lighter than you would think. But basically, on the headphones, it has two cables attached on each side. And then this is a pretty long cable. The default cable that is plugged in is a 1/4 inch. And then there is a adapter. I want to believe it's a 1/4 inch to aux 3.5 millimeter adapter. So that's nice that it comes with that. You know, I would pretty much expect that. Looks like nothing else is in the box except for the manual, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna try these on, and you know, honestly, for some reason I thought there was gonna be a shorter cable, but no, there's not. It just comes with this long cable. Let me try these on, make sure I got the left. Which one's okay, this is the left. So I gotta adjust the height or the size. And yeah, these have a, they're obviously not broken in, but they fit tight over the head. Definitely fit tight over the head, but I don't think they'll be uncomfortable. Like this padding is pretty thick. You know, it's pretty thick padding. I want to say it's about 1 inch thick. So that's pretty good. One thing I will say though is that when I put these on, it really doesn't cancel any noise. I still pretty much hear everything almost the same as with them off. I want to say, like with these off, if I can hear 100%, when I put these on, it's like 85%. So it's really not canceling out that much noise, just putting them on. Not like they're really supposed to. They are open backs. But definitely though, if you're recording with these, you're gonna get some bleed. When you are listening, you definitely will hear like the outside noise too, something to keep in mind. These are really nice. I'm gonna get these broken in a little bit. I'm gonna start using them. I got a few songs to mix, so I definitely want to start listening to music that I'm already familiar with and get my ears accustomed to how these sound again. And then I can't wait to use these, honestly. I've been waiting for these. These actually came early. These were supposed to come next week, but Amazon ended up actually coming in clutch and delivering these yesterday. So I'm pretty hyped for that. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys later. Take care.